So Turbo is going to help me on this long walk we are going to do. He's very energetic, so he is going to carry our supplies. Aren't you, Turbo? Dog treats? Check. Water? Check. More water? Check. Slim Jims? Check. Training treats? Check. Water dish? Check. Rain gear? Check. Phone that we probably won't have a service for anyways? Check. Unfortunately, Deuce, I can't take you because I can only handle 2 dogs and we're going on a really long walk and you're older. So I will come back and I will walk you too. But I can't take you on this walk. Sorry, Deuce. You ready? Oh, look, a pink house with pink wild roses. Come on, left. This church was a gay dance studio at one time. The train is in my way. I don't know how I'm supposed to cross. Okay. You're gonna get ticks, Turbo. Stop doing that. There's the train. Dog butts. Dog butts. See, we're not even off the pavement yet, and there's a mine tailing. There's one relic already. Let's go. So now I think we changed course and we're going up 6th Street. Some cool abandoned buildings and not abandoned buildings. Right now, so everything I've been doing is on foot. Dogs. Be careful. Some graffiti and probably lots of things that my dogs could hurt themselves on. We won't get too deep in there. You can see Lake Turquoise from here, or Turquoise Lake. It's kind of strenuous to get up here. A little windy. Dog butts, mining structures. Some of the structures have been flattened a long time ago. Like this area receives a ton of snowfall. Be careful, Turbo. I've never been in this area. Pretty interesting. Is that an outhouse? Let's go check that out. I don't see the toilet. I think that it rotted a long time ago. But I'm pretty sure that this is an outhouse. Get out of there, Ollie! It's poopy! Gross! Well, watch out. We're not gonna walk there because there could be nails. It's a big hole with a lot of junk in it. I'm not cool with that. But... it's a good view of town from here. If I get really lost, I'm just gonna walk down and then I'll be in town. But I think we're good. Come on. For sale 50 years ago? Confused. It's worn out. That's worn out. Those signs probably say no trespassing. Oops. Might get shot. Oh. Some dilapidated structures. Be careful, Turbo. Turbo! With nails. On our way home, back to town. The mules are not here today. Oh, there's a loose husky. Big shock. Just like I promised.